it's Sorkin. Today we have a problem when we are given the list of the words, for example, as in here, and what we need to do is, and also we are asked to provide the shortest distance between the two words, right? So we are given the constantly queries in order to find the shortest distance between words. For example, let's say that the first query is to find the shortest distance between word 1 and the word 2. Word one is practice and the word 2 is coding, so we are returning the distance between them. 0 and 3 is 3, so we are returning 3 here. So for the second one, mix and the coding, so mix and coding, so we have mix at 2 places, but the shortest distance is 1, so we are returning 1, right? So what we are going to do, which approach we are going to use as a solution. So what we are going to do is we are going to go over our list and we are going to create a hash map. In the key we are going to store the word, and in the value we are going to store the indexes. Since we are starting from the beginning, so what will happen is that we will add the first one first, right? Let's say for the makes, we are going to add first index first and the for second, right? So what we do is when we are receiving a query, by the words, we are finding whatever their positions are, so whatever the indexes are, and then we are using a two-pointer approach in order to find the shortest distance between them. So let's go and see that how exactly it will be in code. So first one, right, what we do is in the constructor, so we are creating a hash map. In our hash map, so what we are doing, so we are adding our word, whatever word is, and also we are adding index of that word into that list, right? So we have here string and the list of the integers. So then for the next one, so what we do to find the shortest, so what we do is we are taking the list of the from the map, so we are getting for the word 1 and the word 2, we are getting the indexes, right? And also we are defining the pointers for the first one and for the second one, right? So we are defining the pointer for the first word and for the second. So we are going over our indexes. So what we do is at each step we are taking the difference of those indexes and taking whatever the minimum, right? Since we have already set the mean to the maximum value, so we are going to update that. And at each step, so what we are doing, if we are moving whichever pointer is so we are moving whatever index is the smaller, so we are moving pointer in that one. And at the end, when we exit this while loop, so we will have the minimum distance between these two words.